I'm going to show you how to prepare compost tea from the compost. And I use compost tea for all my potted plants. I don't use compost directly for my potted plants. So I use compost tea once in a week or once in 15 days for my potted plants. So compost tea is very nutritious and beneficial to the plants, and your plants will grow better if you use compost tea for every 15 days or once in a week. So this is a very simple method, and what everyone can do at their home. So just take compost what you got at the stores, or what compost what you have prepared in your home. Any compost you can take, and I'm going to put 2 scoops of each compost. And this is a compost what I got in the supermarket, and this is just a mushroom compost, and you can use any type of compost you need. So just I'm adding some 2 scoops of mushroom compost what I have got in the stores, and some 2 scoops of compost what I have prepared from my kitchen waste, and just add water inside the bowl. It's so simple. So take a big container like this, so it will be useful. This is just a dustbin I'm using for preparing compost tea, and you can add how much water you need. And the only step you have to follow here is, after adding water, mix this compost tea well. And this is for oxygen circulation. This is the important step in preparing a compost tea. So you have to keep this compost tea for 24 hours, and you have to stir it 3 times a day. Just stir nicely, some 50 to 100 times, so that oxygen is circulated. It is not necessary for you to keep any oxygen circulator to make a compost tea. Just stirring will do good. If you want, you can close it and keep it aside. Just don't forget to stir 3 times daily, and tomorrow the compost tea will be available for you, and you can use this for your potted plants, indoor plants. For indoor plants, you just for the indoor plants, but you can spray. For spraying, be sure that you have to filter all the dust in it, and just spray the compost tea. So while spraying, don't use the concentrated mix. You can just add water in it, dilute it, and spray for the plants and the potted